Hey guys, my name's Tim, and this is my wife Dana. Together we have 2 kids, our super cute daughter Hannah, and our little guy Zeke. We've been married since 2006, and this is a video about our life. Hannah, I know this might be a big decision for you since you're eating a brownie, but do you want to go bye-bye with Daddy? You do? That means no more brownie.
I don't tell you that.
What? You want her to what?
Take it with her?
Eat it in the car? How about, Hannah, let's go bye-bye with Daddy, and then when you come home, you can finish your brownie. Okay? Alright, we're gonna go to the post office and to the bank. I started selling books on my website now, like directly. The cart and shopping process is all finished, so I got a couple there to mail, and we're gonna go mail them, Hannah. Yep. You ready to go?
No.
No, you're not. But let's put the brownie on hold, as difficult as that might be for you. Oh, thank you. Can Daddy have some? Can Daddy have some? Yeah? You're such a good share. Daddy, eat some of your brownie?
More, Daddy?
You want Daddy to eat more of your brownie?
Yeah.
You're so nice. Why are you being so nice? Okay, if you insist, I'm not gonna argue with you. Do you want Daddy to eat your brownie all gone?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Why? It's yummy brownie. Have she already had a couple or what?
That's her second one.
Oh, so maybe you're all done. Are you all done with your brownie? You're not all done? Do you want more?
Yeah.
You and Daddy eat it all gone?
Yeah.
Yeah? It sounds like she said yeah, no. It's almost gone. You sure you want Daddy to finish it?
Yeah.
No? You want the rest of it?
Hannah wants some?
You want to finish it, Hannah? Wow!
She was just testing how good you are at sharing.
Usually she's not very good at sharing, at least not with Zeke.
No.
But thank you for sharing your brownie. It was yummy.
That was nice, Hannah.
Okay, you finish chewing, then we're gonna go bye-bye, okay? Okay, alright. She gave you a sticker. We were checking out, the lady gave her a sticker, post office. And Hannah puts it right on her nose. You silly girl. Because Mommy taught you that stickers go on your nose for some reason. And then the lady checking us out, put one on her nose. It was pretty cute, so let's see if we got anything in here. Oh, we do. We got another key. It must be something big. What's this? Oh, there's another package for us. Cool. Oh, this one's from. Oh, Hannah. Okay, this is from a YouTube. This the first one that was in there is from something from my business stuff, but this is from a YouTube person from Canada. I'm surprised they made here because aren't they on strike? So this is for Hannah. Hannah, you want to open this right now?
Yeah.
You're gonna like this one. This is a present for Hannah. Yeah.
Look inside.
What's in there?
Ooh, those are fancy.
What are those, Hannah?
Can you say sticker?
Stickers. Is that whole thing
my
just all
goodness.
stickers?
Yeah.
Oh man, Hannah. Wow.
These are fancy ones, Hannah. Keep on looking.
Look at these fancy stickers.
Oh my goodness.
Hannah.
You gonna start scrapbooking?
Whoa.
Those are pretty.
I think Mommy might end up stealing some of these stickers.
I'll trade you.
Is there more in there? Wow. Oh, there's a card.
Let's look at the card. It's hello. Hi Hannah, I'm Lachlan. I watch you every day. I'm 3 years old. Look at the
Woo.
boy. Can you say Lachlan?
Got it.
Say hi, Lachlan. What's he? Oh, you look at his picture?
She already
is
put a
that?
sticker on. Or was that
That's
from
from the post office. Yeah. Lachlan's in here.
Hannah.
He's in there.
Say hi, Lachlan.
Say hi.
Look. Hold it up next to the camera. Hannah, say hi, Lachlan. Say hi.
Her hand's kind of shaking. There it goes.
Do you like that? Now she's gonna have little crushes, getting pictures of her voice.
Hannah.
Lachlan.
Yeah.
These are fun, Hannah. Yeah.
Yeah. Says, hi, Tim, Dana, Hannah, and Zeke. First of all, I wanted to say thank you for putting your lives on the internet for all to see. You guys have become part of my son and I's routine. I can't count the number of times you have made me laugh, especially with Tim's hope for Zeke in the future. LOL. Yeah. You guys should have seen the part I cut out, actually, of that clip. I have a problem with nature where I live as well. Those friends sure are not welcomed here either. I'm truly inspired on how dedicated Tim is to his youth work. We need more people like him where I live, Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. I look forward to everyday vlogs, even if you guys live in the States. I definitely know you guys as family, and it's an added bonus to my son. It's an added bonus my son can too. I hope Hannah likes the stickers. It's not much, but I was just cleaning out my scrapbooking drawer. You definitely look like you have done a lot of scrapbooking. That's awesome. Dana, you are looking great. Keep up the hard work. I know it's hard being a mom. I'm in the same boat. From Adriana and Lachlan. Oh, on the back too. My YouTube is AdrianaXOX. Yeah, PPS, if you announce it on your channel, I'll be highly embarrassed. LOL. That was appropriate. I really did LOL. And I'm guessing you might as well. So, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hannah's gonna be sticking these all over the house. And we might have a whole vlog of us unsticking them from places they shouldn't have been stuck to. Dana made us some soup for dinner. Thai chicken coconut soup.
Don't give it away.
Okay, well, it's...
Well, okay, I guess we can warn people.
It's
From Schwann's.
bad. Ugh. Like, we took a sip. Looks like kind of like soapy water. We were just gonna eat it because, you know, we're grateful for what we have. And then I think this might be pushing it too far, but it tastes awful. But Hannah really wants to try it.
You can tell them what one of the main ingredients is?
What?
Anchovy flavored fish sauce.
Gross. Okay, Hannah.
Don't give her that much.
No.
There you go. You said you wanted to try it.
Don't give her that much, punk.
You would like it? You want more?
Daddy.
You want Daddy to eat some? I have had some. That's how I know
Show it
it's
on the
bad.
camera.
I've tried it. It is
Okay.
nastiness. Anchovy flavored fish sauce.
Mm-hmm.
You like it, Hannah? You want more?
Daddy.
You want Daddy to eat some? Here, I'll eat some chicken without any juice.
Why don't you give her some chicken?
It tastes... We don't want to teach Hannah to react this way, but that tastes like ivory.
It tastes like soap.
Yeah, it tastes like ivory soap. Like when I used to have my mouth washed out for saying bad words when I was little. That's what that tastes
Your
like.
parents should have just served you this for dinner if you weren't having a bad day.
Okay. Alright, dinner part 2. Can't screw up hot dogs. And some Alfredo stuff. Chicken Alfredo? There's no chicken though, is it? It's just Alfredo.
No, it's just Alfredo.
Yeah. So. And little Zeekers is eating his beans and his peas. And Hannah. Do you want me to come get you? Yeah! Here we come. You better keep running. Okay, Hannah. She's already done eating, so we've already started our tickle time. Our after dinner tickle time. But Daddy hasn't eaten yet. Daddy's gonna go eat, okay? And then I'll come tickle you some more. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll tickle you more in a little bit. Daddy's gonna go eat. Okay. Are you chasing me? You want me to come get you, don't you? Yeah! I got you again! Okay, Daddy's gonna go eat for real this time, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye. Hannah! You're so cute, I want to chase you. I'm going to eat before it gets cold though. Then I will chase her and tickle her until she laughs so hard she can't breathe. And then I stop and let her breathe, because I'm nice. I almost forgot to tell you that this week's Youth Questions video is up on our Youth Questions channel, where we answer questions from teenagers once a week. And this one, the question we answered is, what is my purpose in life? And Dana answered it along with another youth worker from Maryland. The two of them did a great job. And so you can go check it out. I'll link it below. And help us spread the word about the Youth Question channel if you don't mind. It'd be awesome. I'd love to help more people, and hopefully other teenagers can benefit from it. So that would be great. Link below. And it is like, it's 12:30 a.m. So it's time to go to bed. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with us. Bye.